Exciting morning. Okay, this is the new Ed Stafford den kit. This is me partnering with the den kit company to produce a pretty bespoke kit. So the idea of this is, if your kids are absolutely glued to their phones all the time and you can't get them outside, and then even when they get off the phones they're in a bad mood because they're so addicted to their phones, this is the antithesis. We have a mallet, we have a pretty cool kit bag that the whole thing comes in. We've got an Ed Stafford baseball cap, which needs a bit of breaking in my opinion, to make the peak nice and curved. We have 26 meters, I think, of paracord, which is essential. We have a basher, and this basher is high quality. I was in the British Army, and when we would stay out at night time, you'd use a basher, and this is lightweight. This is not like a lot of the bashers that go into a lot of children's kits. This is the real deal, and it's got reinforced corners, and it's super long and super wide, and I'll show this in another video being erected, but that is a top quality basher. You've also got a little bag full of tent pegs and little bungees as well. These bungees are put in especially because if you just attach directly to that, then as you're tightening or putting tension on the cordage when you're tying it off to a tree or something like that, it can cause the fabric to tear. So this is actually relieving the tension, adding a bit of flexibility, and then a load of tent pegs as well, so that you can erect it on the ground if you want to, but if you don't want to, you can erect it nice and high and have it above. You can put it above a hammock very easily, or you could use the ground sheet, which comes with the whole thing as well. So even on a damp, wet day like today, you can go outside, you've got a nice industrial strength ground sheet to put it on. And last but not least, we have this rather cool sort of info poster, which if you open it up, it has informational instructions on when to build, where to build, bit of survival information, an easy knot that you can do, and how to build it and what materials you can use. And let's face it, with the basher on its own, you can do stuff. You can make cordage out of natural materials. You can even use things like brambles to tie the corners off if you haven't got enough cordage. But 26 meters is a decent amount of high quality paracord to make up your den kit. On the other side, just a little bit about me. That is a brand new den kit. So it's out at the moment. You can buy it on the Den Kit Company website, and I'm quite proud of it actually. It's really ace, and it's deliberately designed so that kids can have unstructured play, so that they can get outside. They don't need to be supervised. They can go and take this and get lost in a safe area, obviously, but in the garden or in a little wood, and put the kit up and have fun for hours. So that is it. Ed Stafford den kit, available now.